Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert PowerPoint presentation to Google Slide. So let's have a look now. To convert your PowerPoint to Google Slide, at first you need to upload your presentation on Google Drive. Open your Google Drive, drag and drop your PowerPoint presentation here, then right click on it, select Open with, then click on Google Slide. It will open your presentation into Google Slide interface. Now click on File at the top right corner. Select Save as Google Slide. So there you go. Your PowerPoint presentation is now converted to Google Slides. You can make changes now. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.